Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will explain about installation of Windows 11, which is newly launched on a 24th June in a worldwide. So first we need to see system hardware requirements. Also you can use PC Health Check app. If your current PC meets the requirement to run Windows 11, you can get a free upgrade when it rolls out. Now I am installing Windows 11. Follow these steps. Choose your language. I don't have a product key, choose version. Agree license terms and next. I am not upgrading the Windows. Select partition and format and wait till the end. Getting ready. Now you can see the first new boot interface. You need to log in your Microsoft account. Create your password. Choose privacy setting and next. Wait for a few minutes. And you can see the new interface, new icons, new taskbar, but no change in setting. Thanks for watching our video. Last but not the least, please subscribe our channel.